Hi everyone, this is yours truly, Lady Manual, with our intro to quadratic function activity 29. This is a combination of the other lessons you've done for as in modeling with the quadratic functions and graphing and analyzing quadratic functions. So this is just it's all of it, okay? So I just want to go through this quickly with you guys, just to do some clarification. Um, Write your answer on notebook paper and show your word. Number one, guys, you got to read this. It says the base of a rectangular window frame must be 1 foot longer than the height. Now, it says here rectangular window, okay? So you know you're thinking about a rectangle, okay? It says it's the base of the rectangular window frame must be 1 foot longer than the height. Okay. The base is 1 foot longer than the height. So you sketch on your notebook paper. Okay. And I don't care if you say this the base, that's the height. You know, you can say this height, the base. I really don't care. I'm not gonna be that harsh. Okay. However, I'm gonna put height here and I'm gonna put base here. Okay. So here it says that the base, this is here, the base equals the base of a rectangle window frame must be 1 foot longer than the height. So the height, if the height is 5, this is gonna be 1 foot longer. So if this 5, this is gonna be 5 plus 1. If this 7, this is gonna be 7 plus 1. This 25 is gonna be 25 plus 1. If this a heart, it's gonna be a heart plus 1. However, this is H. I don't know what H represents. Well, I know it's a number greater than 0, right? So I know this is base, the base is going to be H plus 1, okay? Then it says, which of the following is the equation for the area? The area, I know that the area is A equals base times height or A equals length times width, okay? So now I'm going to find the area because it said, which of the following is the equation for the area of the window in terms of the height? Here's my height, here's my base. So I'm going to take this H times H plus 1, and I'm going to do what it tells me to do. Okay? Guys, be careful now. It needs to be in standard form. You must simplify it, and it must be in standard form for your answer. Number 2, same concept. It says, which of the following is an equation for the area of an isosceles right triangle in terms of the base? It's a right triangle, guys. I don't care if it's a right triangle, these two lines are perpendicular. And remember, the height is perpendicular to the base. So since they're the same, it doesn't matter which one you call the base or the height. It's the same. Okay? But we know this is not the height, and it's not the base because it's nothing perpendicular to it. So it's already given. Okay? So it doesn't matter. Okay? You can say, this is my base, this is the height. They're the same, but they both are, you call it what you want to call it. You have all your information here. Simple. Okay. So how do you find the area of a triangle? Area of a triangle. You say area equals 1/2 base times height. So you got which one is these or your height? It really doesn't matter. That's a hint. Okay. Number 3, Ben is creating a triangle that has a base that is twice the length of the height. It gave you some information here. So what did they give you? Write it as an equation. Then it says write an expression for the base of the triangle in terms of the height. It just told you that you got to write that expression. Here, write a function, and it's the same thing. Okay? Make sure you do each one of these steps on notebook paper. Go over here, use the following information for item 4 through 8. Okay? So you read this information here, and you answer everything 4 through 8, you answer it. Okay, use your notebook paper. Okay, perimeter, come on, guys. You could do this. Some math teachers write the function f of x equals 2x to the third minus 2x times 3x minus x plus x squared, close parenthesis plus 3. Okay, it seems to me I would simplify first. I would simplify this information first, meaning I would get rid of the parenthesis by using the what property? There you go, distributive property. I would distribute the negative 2x to each terms, okay? Then I would combine like terms. Then I will go through and answer this question. Okay. Number 10, here, identify whether each function is quadratic. Really? September the 3rd, you have notes on it. Of 2014, we took notes in class on this. You should be able to look at this and tell which is quadratic or not. Okay? It's yes or no. Okay? Yes or no. Here, state whether data in each table are linear. Explain why or not. Why or why not. You need to graph this. Get a grid. Make on your table. Make your T table. Well, on your table. I mean, on your notebook paper. Graph the points and see what kind of graph you get. If it's linear, you know how a linear function looks. You better know. You better use your English. You know your English. You know how they say your prefix and your suffix. Okay, what is your root word? Use that. Context clues. Okay. 29.2, write each quadratic function in standard form. It's telling you this is quadratic, and it told you to write in standard form, meaning the highest degree should be first. The term with the highest degree. Okay, so write all of those in standard form. 13, you're going to, for each function, complete the table of values. Complete these for each one for A, B, and C. Then you're going to graph the function, graph each on your notebook paper. Then it's identify the maximum or minimum of the function. Tell me what is the maximum or minimum. Give me the vertex, give me the point, give me the X and Y values. Okay? On 14, it's to use your graphic calculator to graph several functions. You substituting in things for A and B using positive and negative numbers, like it told you. You could download a free graphic calculator, find one, Google one, find it, and do what it tells you to do. Okay. And number 15, read it and respond. If you say, well, I don't get none of this, well, look at the other videos. Look at the other videos. If my videos don't help you, babies, then you look up the videos from other places. Google, research, okay? Like you research the songs that you probably should listen to. But I love you guys, and I'm done. Bye.